Bringing you another gorgeous combo, this beautiful porcelain flower headband called Venice, stunningly paired with these beautiful Milano earrings. They also have porcelain flowers and these gorgeous gold chains. I think they go beautifully together, creating that a little more relaxed boho vibe. I really love it. It's totally something I would highly recommend for a beach wedding or a garden wedding or any other outdoor wedding where you want to just feel a bit more playful and feminine and floral and kind of just have fun with it all. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you love this look? Would you wear it on your big day? I also recently wore these earrings for an event, for a concert, and a lot of the ladies were basically couldn't get enough of these earrings. They were like, oh my god, where did you get them from? And I was so happy to say that we make them. I've even received orders on the ground directly from the gorgeous woman that I've interacted with there. And it just made my heart so full of love to be able to share our work with others and inspire you to put something beautiful like this on your, and include it in your bridal styling. If you'd like yours, take a look at my soulmate wedding on Etsy, and we'll be thrilled to help you out if you have any questions. Have a magical day.